Experiencing issues with the Tesco app today? First, determine if it's a widespread outage or a problem on your end. Start by checking Down Detector for Tesco. This site monitors real-time user reports of app issues. Also, check Tesco's official status page at status.tescoplc.com for any acknowledged outages or maintenance. Remember that high traffic during peak hours, like weekends or sales events, can sometimes mimic an outage. If multiple users are reporting problems, it's likely a server-side issue at Tesco's end, and you'll need to wait for them to resolve it. According to recent data, the Tesco app has a 98.7% uptime, but occasional incidents can still occur, especially following events like the DDoS attack in March 2025. For iPhone users, first force close the Tesco app by swiping up from the home screen and swiping the app away. Next, clear the app's cache by going to Settings, General iPhone Storage, finding Tesco, and selecting Offload App. Also, ensure your iOS is updated to at least version 14 for compatibility. For Android devices, go to Settings, Apps, find Tesco, tap Storage, and clear the cache. Verify that the app has necessary permissions, especially for camera barcode scanning and location services. Regardless of device, restart your phone or tablet to refresh the system. Check your internet connection and ensure it's stable with a speed of at least 10 megabits. If issues continue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Tesco app. For login problems, try resetting your password. Android users sometimes report battery drain issues. If these steps don't resolve the problem, contact Tesco's official support channels.